everyone, my name is Maya from SQream Technologies, and today I am going to show you how we connect from Tableau to SQream. But first of all, wibbly wobbly opening music. Go! Welcome back! As you can see, we're on the Tableau desktop screen, and we're going to continue from connecting. Now, before you start actually connecting, there are 3 things you need to make sure you have. Number 1, you need to have a SQream instance running. You can't connect to SQream if there is no SQream. Number 2, you need the Tableau connector file. Now, in your repository, you have your connector folder, and in it, SQreamDB taco file. Now, taco file, Tableau connector, I always think Mexican food and legit. I always like imagining it, how you're giving Tableau a little taco full of data. And you can find this one on the Tableau Exchange. The link will be in the description and probably floating above my head if my editor can manage it. Download and put it in your repository. Second of all, you will need the SQream JDBC connector. The JDBC connector can be found in our documentation and, of course, in the link. It will lead you to an installer. You install it. It will open the necessary folder and put the JDBC file there. Now that we know we have all 3 running, I have an instance of SQream running on my computer. We will go to the connection. Now, we don't want to connect to the Tableau server or to a file. We want to connect to a server. We go to More, and we put in SQR to get SQreamDB by SQream Technologies. Click it, select it. You'll have the information of your instance to put in. You'll have your IP. Now make sure that if you're using a virtual machine with changing IP, you change this one every time to the correct one. Username, password needs to be the password of the database, not of the computer you're connecting to. Sign in. You select your schema, in my case public, and you select your data. Now I have a data table called NBA that I use for demonstrations, and we're going to use it today. You drag it in, drop it, and you need to update it. You need to update it so it'll be up to date with your live connection. As you can see, live connection, everything is running simultaneously in our GPU state-of-the-art engine. Updated, and let's create a visualization to demonstrate. Let's say we want to see the team and the average salary per team. Average, not summarized, still. Now, this is all well and good. I like using this kind of visualization for this. Now, as you can see in this case, for example, the Cleveland Cavaliers are hitting it big with the highest salary, and Philadelphia 76ers a bit less. Although, to be honest, I would love to make $2 million a year, even if it's lowest in my category. I don't know about you guys. So, this is Tableau, this is SQream, this is how they work together. Thank you very much. I'm Maya. See you next time.